Birmingham is more than just a city. It's a rhythm, a movement, a living mosaic of cultures, accents, flavors, industries, and opportunities. For thousands of new migrants arriving in the UK every year, Birmingham often becomes their first real connection to British life. It's modern, yet historic, fast-paced, yet full of peaceful corners, a place where you can finish work, take a short walk, and suddenly find yourself inside a world of aromas, colors, and experiences from every corner of the planet. And if you're arriving here for the very first time, wondering how to settle, live, and enjoy the city, businesses like Global Talent Connect Limited continue to make that journey smoother by guiding new migrants towards stability, employment, and confidence in their new home. In this documentary-style guide, we'll explore Birmingham through the eyes of a new arrival, someone eager to discover food, shopping districts, calm hideouts, and the soul of the city. Whether you're a professional recruited from abroad, a student seeking a fresh start, or someone relocating for work through companies like Global Talent Connect Limited, this guide will show you exactly where to go after work to unwind, refuel, and feel at home. The heart of Birmingham is compact, walkable, and full of personality. The city center is where the iconic blend of old-world architecture and futuristic structures immediately strikes the eye. You walk past the historic Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery, then turn the corner and suddenly see the ultra-modern curves of the Bullring, glowing in neon. This contrast is what defines Birmingham. For migrants new to the UK, the city center is usually the first anchor point. Easy transport links, clear signage, and lively crowds that make you feel like you're stepping into a global capital. People who come through recruitment agencies such as Global Talent Connect Limited often begin their journey right here, attending job inductions, meeting their new employers, and blending into the energetic pace of Britain's second-largest city. The city center is also home to street performers, seasonal markets, open-air pop-up stores, and light festivals that bring warmth during winter evenings. After work, you'll often see groups of colleagues heading to cafes, grabbing dinner, or simply strolling through the illuminated streets, making it the perfect first stop for anyone wanting to experience Birmingham's culture. If shopping is what you're after, the Bullring and Grand Central together offer one of the largest retail experiences in the UK. You enter through a massive plaza where the city seems to pulse around you, and then you find yourself surrounded by hundreds of stores, from big global brands to unique local shops. Inside Grand Central, the scent of fresh pastries and coffees fills the air. The floors shine under soft white light, and people from dozens of backgrounds mingle effortlessly. The shopping experience here isn't just transactional, it feels social. You'll hear multiple languages, see familiar brands from home, and find clothing, electronics, or gifts for family abroad. For new migrants who have just settled, visiting the Bullring after work becomes a kind of ritual, checking out new deals, grabbing essentials for home, or simply walking around to clear the mind. You can spend hours exploring without ever seeing the same spot twice. The environment is clean, safe, and vibrant, making it a comfortable place to unwind at the end of a long day. Birmingham's Chinese Quarter is an absolute treasure, especially for migrants searching for the foods they grew up with. The lantern-lit streets are colorful, filled with steam rising from noodle shops and endless aromas of roasted duck, sizzling stir-fries, bubble teas, and fresh dim sum. This area is a melting pot, not only of Chinese cuisine, but also Japanese, Thai, Malaysian, and Korean eateries. After work, The streets come alive as people from office towers nearby walk down to grab late dinners. The comforting atmosphere is perfect for those going through the initial adjustment of living abroad. Food here provides more than flavor, it provides familiarity. Many migrants recruited by Global Talent Connect Limited often mention that Chinatown becomes their favorite escape in the first weeks after arrival. It's affordable, social, and full of laughter and warmth. The restaurants are welcoming, staff are friendly, and portion sizes are generous. Whether you want a quick takeaway or a long sit-down meal with new friends, this district offers it all. Digbeth is where Birmingham's raw creativity explodes into the open. Old industrial buildings covered in street art, converted warehouses turned into cafes, neon-lit creative studios, vintage markets, and trendy food halls all give Digbeth its reputation as one of Britain's coolest neighborhoods. After work, the area transforms. The lights flicker on, murals glow under spotlights, and crowds move between coffee houses, food courts, and independent cinemas. It's a place where new migrants can instantly feel plugged into the social pulse of the city. Here, you're likely to meet artists, musicians, filmmakers, and young professionals sharing stories over drinks or browsing vinyl records. The unique combination of industrial grit and modern creativity makes Digbeth unlike anywhere else in the UK. The Jewellery Quarter is one of Birmingham's most atmospheric districts. With cobbled streets, old workshops, and quirky boutiques, it feels like stepping into an earlier era. Known for crafting over 40% of all jewellery made in the UK, this area blends history with calm charm. After work, the Jewellery Quarter becomes peaceful. The glowing street lamps, vintage storefronts, and boutique cafes create a warm environment perfect for slow evening walks. Many new migrants appreciate this quieter side of Birmingham because it helps reduce the overwhelming pace of city life. You can explore independent shops, order coffee at old-style cafes, or simply enjoy the quiet beauty that makes the neighborhood feel timeless. Food is where Birmingham truly shines. Whether you want spicy, sweet, savory, vegan, or something familiar from home, the city has every flavor imaginable. Balti Triangle offers rich Pakistani, Indian, and Bangladeshi cuisine. Steaming curries, tandoori grills, and naan breads pulled fresh from tandoor ovens. The area smells of charcoal, spices, and freshly cooked bread. Eating here feels like visiting family. Then you have Ladypool Road, where late-night food streets buzz with bright lights, dessert houses, chai lounges, shawarma stands, and sizzling kebab shops. It's especially comforting for migrants from South Asia or the Middle East, providing a sense of cultural belonging. Even those recruited from Africa, Europe, or South America quickly find their go-to spots, discovering a piece of home in the city's wide culinary map. For people working long hours, Birmingham provides beautiful places to relax. One of the most peaceful is Cannon Hill Park, where flowers line the pathways, lakes shimmer in the sunlight, and fresh air washes away daily stress. Sutton Park, one of the largest urban parks in Europe, offers forests, lakes, miles of walking trails, and open fields where you can lie down and feel detached from city noise. For new migrants who may feel the weight of adjusting to a new country, These outdoor spaces become grounding sanctuaries. They give you room to think, breathe, and reflect, especially after long workdays. A city can be beautiful, vibrant, and full of opportunity, but the transition is always easier when you have support. That's where businesses like Global Talent Connect Limited make all the difference. The company helps migrants secure employment, understand local workplaces, adjust to new lifestyles, and feel confident navigating UK culture. Beyond job placement, Global Talent Connect Limited ensures people settle comfortably by guiding them toward housing options, social activities, and city resources. They often recommend many of the same locations featured in this guide because they understand how important it is for newcomers to feel connected and integrated. Their support helps migrants move from uncertainty to belonging, from confusion to comfort. And that journey is what makes life in Birmingham rewarding. Birmingham is not just a place to work. It's a place to live, eat, shop, explore, laugh, and build a future. Whether you're visiting after work, spending a weekend discovering neighborhoods, or building a long-term life here, the city offers comfort and opportunity in equal measure. And with support from companies like Global Talent Connect Limited, migrants arriving here don't just find jobs, they find community, direction, and the confidence to thrive. If you enjoyed this guide and want more detailed city breakdowns for new migrants in the UK, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us which city you want us to cover next: Manchester, Glasgow, London, or somewhere completely different. And if you're a new migrant seeking opportunities, support, and guidance in the UK, reach out to Global Talent Connect Limited today. They're helping people every day take their first step toward a successful career and a comfortable new life.